to our channel. So today we will be showing you how to use an EpiPen. So before we get started, subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. So guys, now we will show you how to make an EpiPen.
EpiPens are only used for
food allergies.
If you eat the peanuts,
So
you gotta get EpiPens.
So give us a big thumbs up if you do that. So now
First,
take the
first
cap
you
off.
take the blue cap off, then push it on your 5 for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then this came out, and that's it.
So
Okay.
guys, you have to wait until you hear the click. So watch. You count to 3, and it's 3 seconds.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, now we scoot it over. So if we want to close it, we scoot it over.
Well, that's just for the trainer. The real one, the needle will come out and you can't close it back. Okay, so
Why?
then you just give it to an adult.
So you can push this one back, but not the real one. So if you do that at home, give us a big thumbs up. Oh, I forgot to say this at first. Subscribe to our channel. So look at these tags. See them?
Well, this is the instructions.
Step 1, open the cap. Step 2, put it on your profile. Step 3, wait until it snaps. So now we'll get back to Alex. Okay, Alex, what do you want to say anything?
No. I'm good.
Okay, so we'll have another part of this video and we'll show people more about food allergies.
Yeah.
And how to read
Mama.
about food. All right, Alex.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Give us the big thumbs up.
Bye.